down at the main beach of Trafalgar Beach. See you down there. Okay, now let's take a walk down onto the beach for a change. Bear with me, as I've stated before, my walking isn't the best. Very bumpy. But look how awesome those waves look today. So hi to the lifeguards. Those are quite, the waves are quite rough, I see. Quite, very nice though. Got some people out on the beach. But enjoying themselves, people in the water. Let's take a walk around and see. It's always nice to see the people having fun on the beach. But these waves are quite rough today. By the looks of it. I'm gonna walk around down that way and see a bit, then go the other side. The water is coming quite high up now. It's currently 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And the water is coming up. Very, very cool, eh? Look, me, hi. There's something about coming down to the beach that's so tranquil, so calming. People are drawn to the beach. Everyone is drawn to the beach, to the sea. It's awesome. I mean, look out of that. That's amazing. Lovely, clear, sunny day. Beautiful skies, beautiful waves, beautiful beach. What's not to love? Go that way and see. Okay, out over there we have some surfers that have gone out. Over New Zealand, over there. Now they come under together. Water cold. Just see them bobbing in the water up there. I'm gonna walk around Britain and see more. I'm walking over here, I just realized I forgot to pause it. I'm just walking over here and I'm looking. It's amazing how far the sandbank is being pushed from the water. Notice in some of my other previous videos, there was a sandbank here, and all the way, in all the different places, and all the times I've come down here, the sandbank has been in different places. Very cool. People always come watch how the beach changes. You go back further and see. You can see the surf a bit better from over here. I've got a zoom in. Where's he? Yes. Can't see him on camera. But he's out there. Yes. Got a few surfers. Walking along this whole area here, and you can see how nice and flat it is. How cool! I love it. I like coming down to the beach, showing you how the beach changes. How it's different every day. And how the water is quite high today. How that changes it. Very nice, very cool. I'm gonna make my way down there slowly. So yeah, I normally take a walk out of there just to show you how nice it is, isn't it? But today the water's quite high up, so I'm not walking all the way out there. I'm staying a good distance out. But I remember correctly, there's a plaque marking right over there. Over there. I like to discover new things about Trafalgar. I also know for a fact that there's a few fossils in a rock. It's right here somewhere. And then there's another tree over there. The big tree, the measurement stick over there. I know that they are from fossils in and around this area. I haven't seen them, but oh no, well I lie. I have seen them once when all the sand was gone. I know that there are fossils here, put it that way. Looking at the water, the color of the water, that's teal. Very nice. Very cool. I'll walk a bit that way and see. I've come down to the end of this tidal pool, and just true, this is quite crazy waves. Very high. I mean, I walked around the end of that tidal pool over there. Now it's underwater fully. That's quite crazy. Somebody else also been very busy, and they've dug a hole. Quite a nice round hole. This is gonna get filled in with water soon. Oh, that was nice. Check out this. Those waves are quite epic. Those are quite heavy waves. But no surfing over here, because under all those waves are rocks. All the way out under all this water is rocks. This is to the other side of Trafalgar. Way down over like 2 kilometers or so is Mpenjati River and Nudist Beach. In case you want to know, in case you want to go. Then you got the main beach is over there. This was the old tidal pool that's since not being used for years. Look how cool that looks so nice. Okay, change of plans. I'm not gonna walk out that way because there seems to be family busy enjoying themselves up there. There's fishing and they've got a picnic going. But I think they're from the Karen Park, which is just up there. Just behind the greenery here, there's a Karen Park. So I think they're from the Caravan Park. But look at that site. Listening to the waves is so relaxing, just so calming. Look at me, how's it going? Now you can see what I see. And behind me, the rhymes. Yeah, my hair's clean now. I'm kind of lost for it. I don't know what to say. Just over there, I'm busy walking down over here, right? And just in the bush over there, at the corner of my eye, I caught movement. And there's some rock dussies. I'm not sure what the other name for them is. But yeah, they're very small little mammals. Very cute. I saw a family of about 2 or 3. There's movements up there, do you see it? There's movement down up there, and you try to get a bit closer and see. You can only see the movement. You can't see them. There's no one over there. Over there. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, I've counted. I've counted 4. All are varying sizes. Very nice, very cool. That's a nice little catch. I mean, very cool. I've come down to one of the animal burrows in the dune. And look how nice that looks. As I turn around, I got that view hitting me. That is so cool. But this is the little borough I came to explore. Not very big. I honestly thought it would be bigger. But it's a nice little hideaway for the animals. But that's the main attraction, the view. The beach. Love it. I'm walking along over here and the tide is definitely coming up. The water's all the way up here. This is to the cavern park. Now, these stairs get washed away regularly because of the high water and that. I'm actually looking for any cutouts into the dune. They're all further down that way. I'm going to walk a bit further, but I'm not going to go too far. You should see all of the trees and bushes and that I'm looking at that have been washed up onto the beach from the recent storms. Quite crazy. It looks like a war zone. There's a couple of crabs running around on the sand. I would love to capture one of them just to show you, but I know I can't capture that, a picture of that. But Mpenjati Beach is way in the distance, still about a kilometre or so to go. It's very far down over there. But I just wanted to show you all of this carnage of the recent storms. And all the trees. Very cool in a way, but very sombering because of the power of the ocean. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna say cheers from Trafalgar. Until next time.